guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today is just going to be another business video. Today's video is all about fashion designing for beginners, and I am going to be showing you guys how to make clothing tags. So if you're a fashion designer or you own your own clothing brand, it's very inexpensive. It's what I do for my clothing brand and it works out great. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Let's go. So what you're gonna need to do first is design your logo or use your logo. Put your logo on Canva. I had made my logo on Canva already, so that is what I did. If you are not familiar with the Canva app, I will link it down below. It is a free app. They do have Canva Pro, which you can like upgrade and make your logo and things, but I just simply used the free version of Canva. So once I figured out how I wanted my hang tags to look, I just went ahead and went to Vistaprint. Vistaprint is a very great website for like business cards, flyers, any type of like packaging stuff for your business. So I went to Vistaprint and I don't remember exactly how much I paid for these, probably not even that much, but I just bought an 100 pack of business cards. But what I did was, when I bought the business cards, I chose the business card option that rounds out. I probably paid a little bit more for the rounded ones, but you can do the square ones. It's whatever you want to do. But I chose the ones that were rounded out because that's how I wanted my hang tags to look. And then I just put my logo right in the middle, so it says Timeless Takara Vintage. So you can make your hang tags look however you want them to look. I just wanted something super simple. Then you can go ahead and get you a hole puncher and punch holes into your hang tags when you get ready to put them on the clothing. Now I do have to get me a hole puncher. That's the one thing that I have not got yet. For now, I just use my tagging gun. So this is a tagging gun. These are really popular in clothing stores. Big clothing brands use them to tag their clothing. So I got my tagging gun off Amazon. I will link my Amazon link down in the description box below so you guys can get the same tagging gun if you want it. But this is the Evelots Tagging Gun. It says it's great for retail tagging and labeling. And if you want to know if it's good on heavy fabrics, it is. So it does go through heavy fabrics as well. I probably paid like 10 bucks for this. Literally little to nothing. So it does have so this is what it looks like. So all you're gonna do is poke a hole through your tag. And I have some of my clothing pieces from Timeless Takara right here, so that way I can show you guys what it looks like. So we just have this polka dot shirt that is on my website, and usually I wait to tag my pieces once I'm getting ready to like ship them off, because sometimes I like do like styling videos and stuff like that, and I don't want the tag to get in the way. But let me just show you guys how easily I do this. So I just take it. Of course, this is another vendor brand, but that is okay. This is why I want to go ahead and actually put my clothing brand tag on top of it. You see this done in a lot of stores like Ross. They re-tag their vendor clothing, so don't worry about that, because I know a lot of people are like, oh well, you're stealing their clothes. No, you see this done a lot of places. Burlington Coat Factory, Walmart, there's so many places who use other vendors and still tag their clothing with their brand name. So that is exactly how it looks. I just put mine right in the inside. You could put it in the inside. I probably could have put it on the cuff of the sleeve. So there's different placements that you can put your tags. I just like to put mine right in the inside on the neckline, so that way when I fold it up, it's the first thing that you see when I fold this up. So here we have a blazer. This is what the blazer looks like. Gonna take another business card, punch it through here like this, and you'll hear like a little clip. I'm just gonna put it through. I don't like to put it on the words of the other vendor. I kind of just try to avoid that. So just put it through, clip it, and then there you go. Simple. You really don't need a hole punch, but I think it'll look good with a hole punch, but you really don't need it. So I just stick this through. Watch your fingers. And there you have it. Have your hang tag. And these jeans are super cute. These are like a high-waisted vintage jean I absolutely love that are on my website. So yeah, you guys, there are other ways to also brand and like tag your clothing. I know there's a way to brand your clothing. I've been seeing a lot on like TikTok and things of using a Cricut machine, and they also have like a little Cricut like tagger little machine thing that you can use as well. So maybe I'll do a video on how to brand your clothing with the Cricut machine, because I do as well own a Cricut machine too. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure you guys give this video a like, so that way I know you guys want to see that video. In the comments below, comment your business Instagram name so I can check out all your guys' businesses. Or if you don't own a business, just comment a number 1 through 10,000. I just want to see that you guys are active and you're here. If this video helped you out, share it with another business owner, clothing business owner, or a fashion designer. I'm pretty sure it will help them out too, and it will help out my community and my channel as well, just by you guys sharing the video or sharing it on your Pinterest or your Twitters or your Snapchats or tagging me on Instagram. So share. It means so much to me. Also, if you want to shop my brand and support my business, go to www.takara.com to get all your vintage and unique clothing goodies. You're gonna love it over there, I promise. And use the code YTFAM, because we have a little secret code. Our code is YTFAM, where you get 25% off your order. So go ahead and use that code. Let me know what other kind of business videos you guys would like to see from me. And until next time, I love you guys, and I will see you at the top. Peace.